Hi guys, Miss Perkins here. Today we're going to be talking about Module 1, Lesson 38 and 39. In this lesson, we're going to be talking about how we can identify numbers in a fact family and write related number sentences for a given number. Now, fact families are whenever you use the same three numbers for different number sentences, addition and subtraction. Okay, so we're going to first start off by looking at this number bond because it's not completed yet. So we have to first complete our number bond. So we know that this 10 is our whole by where it's at on our number bond because we know that the circle or the number that has two numbers going to it is the whole, and then the other two numbers are our parts. So that means looking at this, 4 is our part, 10 is our whole, and we don't know what this one is just yet. So we can do a few things for this. We can count backward. We can start with 10 and count backwards to 4. Count back 4 times, Or we can start with 4 in our brain and we can keep on counting until we get to 10. What we're going to do is, this time, is we're going to start with 10 and we're going to count back 4. Okay? So it's 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. I'm drawing the dots because you guys can't see my fingers as I'm putting up my fingers for each number, so I'm just showing you the dots instead. So the last number that I said was 6. So the answer, or the part that goes right there, is 6. So now we're able to do our number sentences. We're going to do our addition sentences first. There's 2 of them. And then we will do our subtraction sentences. And I'm just writing this first just to where I won't have to worry about it. I just know that I have to add and then I have to subtract. Alright, so we know that whenever we're adding, our two parts are hugging that plus sign. So we know that our parts is 4 and 6. So we can do 4 plus 6 equals 10. And then we could switch those two parts around and do 6 plus 4 equals 10. Now we have to do subtraction. And remember, with subtraction, that whole has to be in front of the minus sign. So now we put our two parts. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. And now this next one, remember that whole has to be in front of the minus sign. 10 minus 6 equals 4. So as you can see, we use the same 3 numbers for 4 different number sentences. And this is also called a fact family. Alrighty guys, that is it for this video.